West Bengal continues to add to the national COVID tally with over 18,000 cases. The state has reported close to 19,000 cases in the last 24 hours. Positivity rate is touching 30% in the state of Bengal. Kolkata alone has reported more than 7,000 cases on Saturday. All academic activities in schools, colleges, and universities are closed in the state. Administrative activities are permitted with 50% of employees. Local trains will operate with 50% capacity till 7 p.m. All shopping malls and markets would be allowed to remain open till 10, but with half their capacities. Bars and restaurants are allowed to remain open with 50% capacity till 10 p.m. Salons and beauty parlors in the state can operate at 50% seating capacity up to 10 p.m. Well, even as the state continues to record a massive spike in daily cases, leaders continue to remain defiant. Thousands of pilgrims, seers and tourists are expected to take a holy dip in the confluence of Ganga and Bay of Bengal, offer prayers at the Kapil Muni temple. Well, this after the High Court gave a go-ahead to the TMC-led government to conduct the Ganga Sagar Mela with COVID protocol.
18,802 new COVID-19 cases have been reported in West Bengal as of Saturday, and people are stepping out cautiously, wearing their masks. But as we can see on a Sunday morning here at the market, there are fewer people, most opting for home delivery of essentials like fruits, vegetables and other commodities because of the scare of the COVID-19 and the rate at which it is spreading. People are being cautious. Many have been infected also, and which is why they are staying at home, many isolated because of their family members. The West Bengal government is monitoring the situation apart from the restrictions in place, including the night curfew from 10 p.m. to 5 a.m. However, as far as restaurants, cinema halls and malls are concerned, and beauty parlors, they are allowed to operate at 50% capacity. But as far as the Ganga Sagar Mela is concerned, that will be taking place. The West Bengal government is testing those going for the Mela. Those testing positive have to isolate themselves. Others are allowed to go. But the situation right now in West Bengal is still grim with rising cases. However, the government continues to keep a watch on the situation. With camera person Taposh Berry, Prema Rajam in Kolkata for India Today.
Well, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee was seen supporting the Ganga Sagar Mela, saying that she can't really be stopping people from coming into West Bengal and that the Mela is really held for the entire country.
We are interested for only Ganga Sagar. Ask Kumbh Mela. You don't worry for Ganga Sagar. ये हमारा नहीं है, पब्लिक का है. पब्लिक और दूर से जब आता है यूपी बिहार से हम रुकेगा. किसका रुकने का बात है? हम रुकेगा. यूपी से अगर कोई आने चाहता है, बिहार से कोई आएगा, ये थोड़ा ही हमारा हाथ में है. तो जिसको मर्जी जो सोचेगा कि जाना ठीक नहीं है वो नहीं आएगा. जो सोचेगा हमारा जाना ठीक नहीं है, ठीक है, तो कभी प्रोटोकॉल मान के आएंगे. लेकिन हम इसको माना नहीं कर सकते कि ये पूरा देश का है.